चालू झालं का? चालू. हां, सो A is equal to maximum bending moment divided by pre-stressing force. What is the maximum bending moment? 302.72. And what is the pre-stressing force? It is 635.85. This is in kilonewton and this is in kilonewton meter. Okay, so we get the answer A in meter, or convert it into mm. So 302.72 divided by 635.85, we get the 0.476. 0.476 is the value of A. Okay, now we know that what is A? What is A? A is the lever arm, that is the distance between the two forces, and we know that this distance is E, eccentricity, and this distance is E dash, that is the eccentricity for the compressive force. So A is equal to E plus E dash. So E dash is equal to A minus E. What is A? It is 476 mm, and what is eccentricity? It is 3. We are getting 361.48. 361.48. So we get the E dash is equal to 476 minus 361.48, that is 114.52 mm. This is the E dash. Okay, and from this we can find out this value. Okay, P multiplied by E dash divided by Z, that gives the moment due to the compressive force, and P by A we know, and we get the resultant stress at the top and bottom using the second concept, that is the strain concept. That is the strain concept. Now third concept, ये आपको निकालना है. Now what is the third concept? In third concept, that is called as the load balancing concept. Load balancing concept. In load balancing concept, again trace in concrete at top and bottom is equal to, again P by A is same. In all these three, P by A is same because it is related with the direct force. Then plus and minus. Then plus and minus. Top का है तो plus आएगा, bottom का है तो minus आएगा. Here we can say that the m net divided by Z. What is m net? M net का मतलब है यहाँ पे, here because of there are external load, that is called as the total load W, dead load and live load, and because of the cable profile, upward force also develop in the opposite direction, जिसको हम कहेंगे WC. Okay, what is the, how to find out this WC? Simple है. How to find out this WC? Actually bending moment is known to you, WL square by 8. Okay, now this WC is equal to, we know that m is equal to WL square divided by 8. This is the bending moment formula. Now because of the upward pressure, we can say that this W is eliminated by WC. This WC, L is same as it is into 8. What is m? M is related with the pre-stressing force multiplied by eccentricity, that is P multiplied by E. Okay, so we get that WC is equal to 8P into E divided by L square. Okay, so what is WC here? WC is equal to 8 multiplied by P is equal to 635.85. Okay, multiplied by E is equal to 361.48. Okay, that is the 8P divided by square of 16. We get 7.18 kilonewton per meter. This is the